Andrew Tate. You probably have heard of him before. Kickboxing world champion, life coach, social media star, successful businessman with an estimated net worth of $500 million. Oh, and you might know him for human trafficking and rape allegations. How did he become one of the most controversial people while making hundreds of millions on the side? This is a story of how did they get rich. Let's start with a brief look at his early life. Born in 1986, Andrew Tate grew up in Chicago in the United States. His father, Emory Tate, worked at the Air Force, but more importantly, he was a chess master. Andrew always saw his father as a role model, and this resulted that Andrew started playing chess as well. Andrew Tate excelled at chess at a young age. At 5 years old, he played and won tournaments against 15-year-olds.
What?
Yes, this really happened. He succeeded in becoming a young chess champion. When his parents divorced, Andrew moved to England with his mother and brother. But chess wasn't as big in the UK as it was in the United States. This made Andrew start a career in kickboxing. After starting self-defense classes and martial arts, Andrew began training in kickboxing under his coach Amir Subasic. One of his first professional fights was in April 2007. As years passed, he became a 4-time kickboxing world champion. His kickbox revenue until this point was estimated at $1.4 million. But in 2016, Tate's reputation is tarnished by a series of controversies outside the ring, leading to his suspension from competition for a year. A total social media blackout followed. While Andrew made a comeback in kickboxing, this wasn't an important source of money. The controversies are the key. In 2016, Andrew Tate made an appearance in Big Brother. This is an important point in his life because of the exposure gained from this. While everybody loved the tension that Andrew brought to the house, he disappeared from the show after 7 days. A report in The Sun reveals Big Brother producers cut him out of the show after the publication sent them a video featuring Tate. The video contained footage of Tate slapping his ex-girlfriend and beating her with a belt.
Slap, yo.
While Andrew claims it was consensual, he still became a controversial subject. But this was only the start of things for Andrew Tate. For this part, we first need to go a bit back.
Yeah, it's rewind time.
Back to 2013, where Andrew Tate founded a webcam business that made him millions. He started this business with his brother, and they employed 75 women to scam people online by telling men sad stories for money. This shady business made them $600,000 a month. Online visitors donated thousands of dollars to the girls because of the lies they told. It's estimated that they made at least $43 million from this business till 2020, when decided to stop with the websites.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Hey, boys.
While the webcam business made a lot of money, they decided to make a change in 2020. The scam got transferred from webcam sites to OnlyFans. They kept about 10 women to work for them, earning the Tate brothers a solid $200,000 a month. They made a third of what they were making before, but that didn't matter since the business is easier to manage through OnlyFans. In 2016, Tate moved to Bucharest, Romania. The world of casinos, where the lights never go out and the action never stops. It's a place where high rollers mix with everyday people, all chasing the thrill of a bet. From the buzz of the slot machines to the excitement of the poker tables. But Andrew decided that poker tables are too much work, since he would need employees to run them. So, he kept it simple with slot machines. The location he chose for his first casino mattered a lot. Right between a competitor and a Starbucks. He lured people into his casino, giving them free coffee.
You gotta spend money to make money.
This made people spend their saved money on slot machines. Andrew Tate owns 15 casinos within a short period of time, bringing in a revenue stream of more than $1 million.
Raise your hand if you wanna get rich.
Andrew Tate built up a huge following. This made him decide to start a business in 2021 selling courses about how to be successful.
It sounds like a get-rich-quick scheme.
Yes, thank you. You will get rich quick. We all will.
These life coaching methods have been a topic of much debate, with some hailing him as a genius, while others criticize his approach as unethical. The first subscription-based course, called Hustlers University, made him $49 a month for each attended. This course has more than 200,000 subscribers, making him more than $10 million each month for doing nothing. Tate has another membership-based community called the War Room. Some say it's a cult.
One of us, Google gobble, Google gobble.
You need to pay a one-time fee of $5,000. The community already has more than 4,000 members, making him at least a total of $20 million. After some controversy, yes, the guy is a controversy magnet, he had to change the name Hustlers University into the real world. But what was this controversy? Tate is known for a lot of strategic business moves, but this might be the biggest one yet. He turned Hustlers University into a pyramid scheme. He made it possible for members to recruit new people with an affiliate link, earning them a percentage of the first payment.
The more people who are investing, the more money we're all going to make. It's not a pyramid scheme. It's not even a scheme per se. I have to go make a call.
Andrew Tate suggested using controversy to gain engagement. Within days, the membership count went through the roof. This scheme couldn't go unnoticed. Stripe, the Hustlers University payment platform, stopped doing the digital processing of payments for them. Andrew Tate made hundreds of millions over the last years, but he didn't disclose all of his businesses. He claims to have more than 15 businesses and invests a lot of money in cryptocurrency. But the biggest scandal is yet to come.
Online influencer Andrew Tate.
Andrew Tate.
Andrew Tate.
Andrew Tate has been detained in Romania as part of a human trafficking and rape investigation.
Dicot. Ever heard of it? No? I don't blame you. Some might know it as Romania's Directorate for Investigating Organized Crime and Terrorism. The organized crime part is important in this story, since the Tate brothers have been arrested as suspects in a rape and human trafficking case. There is no information available if these cases have any correlation with the webcam business, or that this might be one of his other ventures. Multiple supercars have been impounded while the brothers Tate await the trial. But the biggest question at the moment might be why the case file on the Tate brothers appears to be empty.